Oh man, I'm so wet. Dude. It is really freaking wet out here. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And I've got a little surprise for those of you who have been like losing your mind about the lighting. Maybe. Is this it? Is that better? Do you like that? It's blinding me. I'm probably gonna burn myself a lot. Turn this thing down a little bit. Maybe that works. I'm hoping it does. I know it's probably showing up in my shades, but it's called an LED light ring. So it's like, yeah, it's about that big, and yeah. So, new thing, thanks to the folks who donated to the GoFundMe. I figured, hey, I want to give people stuff back, you know, that's like things people have asked for, which was better lighting in here. This was like, it came with a bunch of other junk that wasn't built all that well, but I've got this on the stand that I already had, and it's okay. I might end up just like hanging it on the wall with a thumbtack, because it's the way the camera's mounted on this thing, it's really loose. Like, I don't want to have this thing take itself out and like fall in a bowl of noodles. But yeah, so what do we got today? Well, we've got this. This is Nissin hot and spicy fire. Oh, see, I don't know how I like that. I tell you, I really hate this delay. I can't see what I'm doing. It's like turn. Okay, there we go. This is the, what is this called? Scorchin Sesame Shrimp Flavor Hot and Spicy Firewalk by Nissin. Hey. So let's do it. You get 3 sachets, you get 2 dry ones, and you get the fire sauce. There you go. And you get noodles. So, yeah. How's your day going? Good, I hope. I went out walking this morning and it was 26 degrees outside, nice and chilly. But it was like, I went and I took the trash out last night. I was like, it's bare, dry pavement. It said that it was supposed to be all, what do you call it? Frosty and stuff. A lot of frost on the ground. It wasn't bad. So, works for me. Well, let's get this sucker a-going. I don't know if you'll be able to see me over here. Let's see. There's the microwave. All right. There's the fill line, the blessed fill line, ladies and gentlemen. There we are. Our fire walk is about to get all crazy over here. So let's put it in our walk. I already have a paper plate in case of malfunction. Okay, so we'll put our walkables in here. So 5 minutes. And then power level, put it at 70. Hey Miles, you want to push the button? We'll let Miles do the honors. Hey Miles, how you doing? Hey, you want to push the button? Yay, thank you very much. You done with your lunch? Don't touch it. No, don't touch it. Go, run away. Run, it's dangerous. It's scary, crazy. Are you done, Mimi? Here. Do you want to I'm just trying to offer my daughter a beverage and she recoils and runs away. Am I that repulsive? I don't know. I better lighting now so we can all find out. Are you done? Let's see. Oh, you want to share? Well, you gotta eat some. Come on, Mimi, eat some ham. Ham. And bread. Now you can throw it in the trash because you dropped it. I see how it is. Here, look. The idea is you take the ham and you wrap it around, or you take the bread, the tortilla, and wrap it around the ham, and now you have a little ham tortilla thing. Hold it tight, now bite it. Bite it.
Yummy.
Alright, that's a good answer. Well, would you like to hang out while I read the quote of the day from Momofuku Ando Speaks, the book of quotes by the man who invented the instant noodle? Can we even see you? Yeah, we can see you.
My name is Mimi.
Yes, it is. Let's see, the last one was do not lean on others. Number 176. Number 176. There is nothing loyal about loyalty that insists on loyalty. That's a good one. If you demand loyalty, then you don't get real loyalty. Eat your ham, Mimi. Eat your lunch, and then you get a nice, tasty beverage. You're so funny. I'm gonna bite your eye. Hungry. Actually, I'm not, because that might interfere with the mukbang. But just eat your lunch. All you gotta do is finish that, and then you can have your beverage. You like the bread?
I like to eat the bread.
That's cool. I like bread. Bread's good. You know what it's made out of, right? What? What's bread made out of? I don't know if this is too loud. Turn that down a little bit. Yeah, what's bread made out of?
What's bread made out of?
Well, it's
I
made...
see a little bug.
You see a bug?
It's flying in my house.
Oh, that's great. A gnat?
It wants to eat my food.
You better eat your food first.
I don't want it to eat my food.
I know, that's why you've got to eat it before it eats it. Don't eat your diet. Eat. Open the mouth. Go, ah. 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 Take a bite. Okay, well. Oh well. No drink. At least take one more big bite, and then you can throw the rest away. But I don't. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't a very big bite. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And I can have a tummy.
After your drink is done. But now we leave it for 1 minute. The microwave has done its magic. Yeah, look, I'm wearing a Band-Aid. You know why? So like I went and I was walking this morning and there was a speed bump. And somebody ran over it and it popped off apparently and it was sitting there on the ground like, ooh, speed bump, speed bump. It was one of the rectangular ones with the reflectors, right? I'm like, hey, that's neat.
From the monster.
It did come from the monster, yeah. And then I brought it home and I ran it through the dishwasher.
And you wash it.
Yeah. But I mainly wanted to get all the gunk off the back of it. It was like it had tar or creosote or I don't know what it was.
It don't.
But then it's like I tried to pull it off. Oh my god, this stuff is like... Exactly. It's like the stickiest, gummiest stuff in the entire universe. It doesn't get stickier or gummier than this stuff. I'm pulling it and pulling it and pulling it and pulling it.
Stickier and gummier.
Yeah, and well, I finally got almost all of it off, but during it, I don't know what they put in creosote. Is it like finely ground, like sharp rocks? It like tore off like a little piece of skin. Like it went deep. It's like I barely touch it and it burns like hell. I don't like it. Drink your drink. Alright, so here's what we got. Now, here's the hard part. I don't know. Is it gonna stay? Man, it takes so freaking long. I will say I like this camera, but I don't like the amount of time that it actually takes for it. Like 1, 2, 3. That's how long it takes for it to sync up on the preview. So
Look at me.
we can't see you, Mimi.
I'm spinning.
You may be spinning, but nobody knows because you're. Oh, now you're in shot. There you go. There you go, Mimi. This stuff, the last one was pretty good. I mean, I am going to do a mukbang of this one. Here we go. Yeah, now it just started dripping into it. God, that's so weird.
It's so weird.
It really is, Mimi. It really, really is weird. Scorchin' shrimp. Yeah. It smells all right. It smells kind of soy sauce. I don't know what kind of thing we got going on here.
Yum.
It really picks up all the broth. It's like there's no broth.
Yummy.
Yeah. Heading for Snow City. I can't wait. Just as long as it doesn't interrupt my whole walking regimen again. I didn't like that.
Flavor.
That is strawberry banana probiotic Greek yogurt.
That's my favorite. Yummy.
Good. I'm glad you thoroughly enjoy it. Because I go to the store and I pick up 2 big tanks of it and I carry it home and it's heavy. Along with all the chocolate milk, along with beverages for everybody. Yeah, I walk to the store and carry all that stuff home. And this earlier, when I was preparing that beverage for you, I got it all over my shirt. That's why the laundry's going
I
right
see
now.
some music.
Yeah, that's the music machine.
And I see the...
I'm debating whether to have a bite now or just wait for the mukbang, but I'll have a bite now. I'll have a small bite.
I see the banana badges. On the
Ready, set.
go. It tastes good and hot.
Yeah, it's not bad. I mean, the flavoring coats everything nicely. It's got a decent amount of vegetables and stuff. I didn't get a shrimp, but I'm not gonna like go full bore into this thing before the mukbang. And it has heat. I'll comment on that in the mukbang as well. So yeah, spicy, spicy. Well, let's give this the rotato treatment. For the first time, we'll be doing rotato. Okay, I need you to go, go, go. Hot stuff. So I'm not adding anything to it, so don't be shocked if it's not all that amazingly fascinating. Okay? Right, Mimi? Don't be shocked, okay? Don't be shocked. But yeah, there we are. Really not a lot to see when you're doing it this way. Although there's a lot of noodles. Yeah, you can throw it in the sink and I'll grab your tablet in a second. That's good. I can see myself pounding this whole thing. And you will in a moment. So let's let rotato do its thing. I don't really know how much lower I can get before the thing falls off. And